Hi, it's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of patties, but not just any patties. We're talking about 10 savory, mouth-watering recipes that will have you ditching the same old boring burgers. Get ready to meet your new favorite comfort food, because these patties are packed with flavor and easy to make. We've got cheesy bacon bombs, earthy mushroom delights, crispy corn fritters, and even some healthy veggie options that taste anything but bland. Trust me, there's a patty here for everyone, whether you're a meat lover, a veggie enthusiast, or somewhere in between. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome food adventures. All right, patty lovers, let's kick things off with a bang. For our first recipe, we're making cheesy bacon patties that are basically a party in your mouth. First, grab yourself some ground beef. About a pound should do it. Throw it in a big bowl and crack in one egg. Now for the good stuff, crispy bacon bits. We're talking a whole cup, people. Don't be shy. Next, sprinkle in some breadcrumbs, about half a cup to help bind everything together. Now the cheese. We're going with a mix of cheddar and mozzarella for that ultimate cheesy pull. About a cup of each, shredded of course. Mix it all up with your hands. Get in there and really combine those flavors. Once it's all mixed, form the mixture into patties about the size of your palm. Now it's time to cook these babies up. Ready for something a little different? These mushroom patties are packed with earthy flavors and a satisfyingly meaty texture, even without the meat. Start by finely chopping up a mix of your favorite mushrooms, about 2 cups worth. We're going with cremini and shiitake for that extra umami kick. Saute those mushrooms in a pan with some butter and garlic until they're nice and golden brown. While those are cooking, grab a bowl and mix together a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and a quarter cup of chopped walnuts for some crunch. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add them to the bowl and mix everything together. Season it up with salt, pepper, and some fresh thyme. Form into patties and get ready to be amazed. Time to turn up the heat with these crispy corn fritters. These are super easy to make and perfect for a quick snack or side dish. Grab a can of sweet corn and drain it well. Then, in a bowl, whisk together a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornmeal, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now add the drained corn to the bowl, along with a couple of beaten eggs and some milk, just enough to make a thick batter. Season it up with salt and pepper, then heat some oil in a pan. Drop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil and fry until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve them hot with a dollop of sour cream or your favorite dipping sauce. Chapter 4. Fish cakes, a taste of the ocean, calling all seafood lovers. These fish cakes are packed with flavor and a delightful crispy texture. Start by cooking up some flaky white fish cod or haddock work great. You can bake it, poach it, or even flake it from leftover fish and chips. Once the fish is cooked, let it cool slightly, then flake it into a bowl. Now, add some mashed potatoes, about a cup, along with some chopped fresh herbs like parsley and dill. Grate in some lemon zest for that extra zing, and season it all up with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Form the mixture into patties, coat them in breadcrumbs, and pan fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. Serve them with a squeeze of lemon and a side of tartar sauce for a truly satisfying meal. Chapter 5. Corn and beef, the ultimate combo. Get ready for a flavor explosion with these corn and ground beef fritters. They're like a party in your mouth, with sweet corn kernels bursting alongside savory ground beef. Start by browning some ground beef in a pan. While that's cooking, drain a can of sweet corn. Once the beef is browned, drain off any excess grease, then add the corn to the pan along with some chopped onion and green bell pepper. Cook until the vegetables are softened, then remove the pan from the heat. Stir in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a can of cream of mushroom soup, and some breadcrumbs until everything is well combined. Form the mixture into patties and pan fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce for a truly irresistible treat. Chapter 6. Veggie Delight. Who says patties can't be healthy and delicious? These veggie patties are packed with nutritious vegetables and bursting with flavor. Start by grating a variety of your favorite vegetables. Carrots, zucchini, and sweet potato are all great options. Squeeze out any excess moisture from the grated vegetables, then transfer them to a bowl. Add a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, some chopped fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro, and a handful of rolled oats. Season it all up with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices like cumin and coriander. Mix everything together well, then form the mixture into patties. Pan fry the patties until they're golden brown and crispy, or bake them in the oven for a healthier option. Serve them on buns with your favorite toppings, or enjoy them as a delicious and satisfying side dish. Chapter 7. Veggie Bacon Bonanza. Let's take those veggie patties to the next level with some crispy bacon. This recipe combines the goodness of vegetables with the irresistible flavor of bacon for a patty that's both healthy and indulgent. Start by cooking up some bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once it's cool enough to handle, crumble it into small pieces. Now prepare the veggie patty mixture as described in the previous recipe. Once the mixture is ready, gently fold in the crumbled bacon until it's evenly distributed. Form the mixture into patties and pan fry them until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. The bacon adds a salty, smoky flavor that complements the sweetness of the vegetables perfectly. Serve these patties on buns with your favorite toppings or enjoy them as a hearty and satisfying main course. Chapter 8. Potato Perfection. These potato patties are a classic comfort food that's perfect for any occasion. They're crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and bursting with potato flavor. Start by boiling some potatoes until they're fork tender. Once they're cool enough to handle, peel and mash them until smooth. While the potatoes are still warm, add a couple of eggs, some grated Parmesan cheese, and a handful of chopped fresh chives. Season it all up with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for that classic potato patty flavor. Mix everything together well, then form the mixture into patties. Heat some oil in a pan and pan fry the patties over medium heat until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve them hot with a dollop of sour cream or applesauce for a truly comforting and delicious meal. Chapter 9. Pork Rissoles, a flavorful twist. These pork rissoles are a delicious and flavorful twist on the classic patty. They're packed with savory pork, aromatic vegetables, and a hint of spice. Start by combining ground pork with finely chopped onion, celery, and carrot in a large bowl. Add breadcrumbs, an egg, and your favorite spices like ground cumin, coriander, and paprika. Mix everything together well, then shape the mixture into small round patties. Heat some oil in a pan and cook the rissoles over medium heat until they're golden brown and cooked through. Serve them hot with a side of mashed potatoes and gravy for a truly satisfying and flavorful meal. Chapter 10. Salmon Sensations. For a taste of the sea, try these flavorful and healthy salmon patties. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and make for a delicious and satisfying meal. Start by flaking cooked salmon into a bowl, removing any skin or bones. Add mashed sweet potato, chopped red onion, Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. Form the mixture into patties and pan fry them until they're golden brown and cooked through. Serve these salmon patties on buns with your favorite toppings, or enjoy them as a healthy and flavorful main course. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible savory patty recipes that will have your taste buds singing. From cheesy bacon bombs to healthy veggie delights, there's a patty here for everyone. So ditch the boring burgers and try something new and exciting tonight. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these recipes are easy to follow and guaranteed to impress. So grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more amazing food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!